What's up, everybody? Hey, listen, real quick, man. I feel as though every barbershop should do this every year. And listen, make sure you stay to the end because you got to hear me out on this. This will cultivate a better team environment in your shop. This will also make your barbershop more eye-appealing to potential customers and current customers. And more importantly, man, it's something that should be done. You should take pride in where you work because that's the place that provides for you in order for you to provide for your family. So I know you probably wondering what I'm talking about. All right, here it is. I feel as though every barbershop should do a middle of the year spring cleaning right before back to school. And what I mean by that, this is more than just what your cleaning people do or what you normally do to the barbershop as far as cleaning it. I mean a call to action, all hands on deck, every barber, every stylist in the shop, meet up at the barbershop and do a deep clean in the barbershop. So that's something we've been doing here at Headlines Barbershop Sun Lake since I took it over about 2.5 years ago. And so I'm gonna give you some behind the scenes look. The guys are coming. I got here a little hour early to go ahead and get some things started. But I think it's very important, not only to keep the shop looking more eye-appealing, but it's a great way to build team chemistry. It's a great way to also lead from the front, but also lead with action. I've always been of the belief I'll never ask someone to do something that I never did. I can't expect someone to do something that I either don't have experience in or if I don't have no level of expertise in that field. But when it comes to effort, when it comes to doing the little things, that's something that I've always took pride in. And so let's get it done. So we're gonna go in here, we're gonna clean the shop, dust, clean, move furniture, and also discuss where we're at as a barbershop and how we could get better as a team. More importantly, scheduling our annual back to school event. So here we go. All right, so here we are at the shop. So some of the things we're gonna touch on, like I said, we're gonna dust the lights off, clean on top of the stations, dust accumulates over time. I'm gonna rearrange this area for sure and gotta clean that out. So those are some of the tasks that are gonna get done. You guys stay tuned, enjoy. Are you a barber just looking to take your barbering career to the next level? Are you tired of not being where you want to be? Are you looking to surround yourself by like-minded people? Well, we got a home for you. It's called the 6-Figure Barber Mentorship Program. In this community, come join the thousands of members that have joined all over the world to take their career to the next level, both in business, mindset, and just overall. We got a spot for you. Join right now with the link below. Look forward to seeing you there. All right, 3 hours later. Shop looking nice and fresh. All right, as you can see, no more dust up there no more, nice and clean. All right, shop nice and presentable, man. No, but I'm super, super proud of my guys, man. They showed up on a Sunday, most of the day off, and they gave it their effort. I got the shop looking good, clean out the fridge, microwave, dust the whole shop, clean the mirrors, just good deep clean, moved everything, moved the chairs, the stations as well, move it all out into the middle, clean it up, clean our storage closet out. Storage closet check. New shelving for the bathroom. No more dust in our AC vents. No more dust on top of the mirrors. Like my boy Dion say, when you look good, you feel good. And when you feel good, you play good. Shop looking good. Now let's go make that money.